My dear children, today in this module we are going to prepare revaluation account. As we know, revaluation account is an account which is prepared at the time of admission, retirement and death of a partner. In revaluation account, first we want to record increase in liability on the debit side, then decrease in assets on the debit side. Then if there is any unrecorded liability, that item should be recorded on the debit side. Then on credit side, first we want to enter increase in assets, then enter decrease in liability. Then if there is any unrecorded assets, that amount should be or item should be recorded on the credit side. Then after entering all these transactions, next step is to calculate the amount payable to the partners as profit or loss. That amount should be shared among all partners including retiring partner. The important journal entries to be passed at the time of preparing revaluation account are: first entry, revaluation account debtor to assets account when asset decreases. Next entry, revaluation account debtor to liabilities account when value of the asset increases. Then next entry, revaluation account debtor to unrecorded liability. If there is any unrecorded liability, we have to pass this journal entry. The next entry, concerned asset account debtor to revaluation account when asset increases. The next case, when liability decreases, entry will be concerned liabilities account debtor to revaluation account. If there is any unrecorded assets, the entry will be asset account debtor to revaluation account. Then last entry, the net amount may be profit or loss. If it is profit, the entry will be revaluation account debtor to all partners. That all partners includes retiring partner. If there is any loss, if it is loss, the entry will be all partners, that is including retiring partners capital account debtor to revaluation account. These are the important journal entries to be passed at the time of preparing the revaluation account. Now we are going to solve one problem. Prabhu, Raghu and Shiva are the partners sharing the profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Prabhu retires from the partnership on 1st April 2017. The following adjustments are to be made. First adjustment is increase in the value of building by rupees 12,000. Second adjustment, reduce the value of furniture by rupees 8,500. Then third adjustment is provision would also be made for outstanding salary for rupees 6,500. There are only three adjustments given in this problem. Then give the journal entries and prepare the revaluation account. The given information is that they are all ratio given, that is 3:2:1. There are three partners, Raghu, Prabhu and Shiva. Then Prabhu is going to retire from the partnership firm. Then at the time of, before the time of retirement, the partnership firm make the revaluation of assets and liabilities, and they found that there is an increase in the value of building 12,000. There is a decrease in the value of furniture. Then make the adjustment of outstanding salary. First we are going to pass the necessary journal entries. The first adjustment, increase in the value of building. When asset increases, credit that account. So the entry will be building account debtor rupees 12,000 to revaluation account 12,000, being the value of the building increases. Then second journal entry, reduce the value of furniture, that is the decrease in the value of asset. When asset decreases, debit that account. So the entry will be revaluation account debtor to furniture account 8,500. Then third adjustment is provision would also be made for outstanding salary. That means we have to make the adjustment, provision of salary. That means our liability balance, the balance of liability will also increases. So enter the transaction on the debit side. So the entry will be revaluation account debtor to salary. Then after preparing revaluation account, next step is to find out the profit. If it is profit, the entry will be revaluation account debtor to Prabhu's account, to Raghu's account, to Shiva's account. If it is loss, the entry will be Prabhu's account debtor Raghu's account debtor, Shiva's account debtor to revaluation account. After preparing revaluation account, the closing balance, that is the profit or loss, should be shared among the partners in the ratio of 3:2:1. The next we are going to prepare revaluation account. In revaluation account, debit side and furniture, a decrease in the amount of furniture, that is to furniture account 8,500. Then enter outstanding salary, that is to salary account 6,500. Then on credit side enter building account. Building account 12,000. Then after closing revaluation account, there is a loss of rupees 3,000. That loss should be shared among the partners in the ratio 3:2:1. Then you will get an amount of 1,500 to Prabhu and 1,000 to Raghu and 500 to Shiva. In journal, we have to pass this journal entry. The entry will be Prabhu's capital account debtor 1,500, Raghu's capital account debtor 1,000, Shiva's capital account 500 to revaluation account 3,000. This is the step for preparing revaluation account. Thank you.